everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. Yet again, if you haven't seen my freebie and moneymaker deal for the Airwick, I will have that posted for you at the end of this video, so definitely check that out. But real quick, I wanted to tell you about some free toothpaste, some really good price toothpaste, and some toothpaste I am completely confused about. So please help me out if you have some answers. So let's talk about the toothpaste that is free first. Be sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss all of these quick freebie deals I may be posting today, as well as my must-do deals video that I will have out later this afternoon. So you want to make sure that you are completely subscribed and ring the notification bell, hit all those good things. So let's check out this freebie. Okay, so Crest toothpaste this week is a part of the mega sale. So it's regularly priced $3.49, on sale for $2.99, mega sale for $1.99. We have 2-off-1 coupons that just came out in the P&G 1128, making these completely free. Now, do note that the coupons are limited to 2 per transaction. So you may have to split your transactions, of course, if you need multiple participating items in the mega sale in order for that to work. So you could do this over the next few days. Every time you go to Kroger, grab 2 more free toothpaste and add it into your mega sale deals. So awesome deal here. Super excited about our free toothpaste. Easy freebie. Here's not a complete freebie, but still a really good price. So let's say you don't have insert coupons and you need toothpaste. This is still an amazing deal. The Colgate Optic toothpaste is regularly priced $3.49, on sale for $3.29, mega sale for $2.29, and we just got a brand new 4-off-2 digital coupon, and we also have 2-off-1 coupons in Smart Source 1114. Do take note they expire on the 4th, so you just have them through this weekend. Final cost is just 29 cents. So I wanted to throw that in here as another option for you because maybe you don't have the insert coupons from Crest and you still need toothpaste. This is a really good option. All right, this is the one I'm so confused about. So help me out if you have any answers in the comments below. So Crest toothpaste is a part of this 5-time weekly digital deal, but the particular toothpaste that it's attaching to are also a part of the mega sale. So I'm so confused. So let's talk about this. It is the Premium Plus toothpaste. I looked up all the qualifying products. All of them are the Crest Premium Plus toothpaste. They're regularly priced $4.39. They're on sale for $3.99, but they're also a part of the mega sale, which is $2.99. And then we have the $1.97 each 5-time weekly digital. So does that make them $1.97 or does that make them 97 cents? I'm not sure. So let me know in the comments if you've done this deal or if you have any clue what's going on. We also have the 2-off-1 from the P&G 1128. So regardless of the way this works out, we should be getting these toothpaste for free. If for some reason the mega sale drops it down to 97 cents, then we would, have overage in our cart. Again, I just don't know. I haven't figured this out at all, and I was very confused. So I thought I'll put it on the video and see if anybody out there in YouTube world can answer my question. So let me know in the comments if you figured this out or if maybe the mega sale for these Premium Pluses is just a mistake on the internet. I don't know. They may have a hot mess on their hands as people are trying to figure out this deal. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about this Crest toothpaste deal. But we know for sure we have free Crest with the mega sale and we have really good deal on the Colgate with the mega sale. We're just not completely clear about this 5-time weekly digital. All right, if you like these quick freebie videos, give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want to keep seeing these or if you'd rather just wait till the end of the day and see them all in one big video. I'm trying to figure out what's best for my channel here. Have a wonderful mega sale day and I'll be back with you later. Make sure you're subscribed.